Hey guys, I'm Esthetician Trish McCarty. This is Microneedling with PRP. You want to be super hydrated before you get your blood drawn. So this is what PRP with microneedling looks like. A lot of people think it's going to be really gross and bloody because they've seen the Kardashians, vampire facials. That is not what we're going for here. So we do want to get pinpoint bleeding just as we did with traditional microneedling. Why that's important is because it lets us know that we've gotten to the dermis, which is where the magic happens. That's where the collagen and elastin are formed. And by making microscopic wounds to the skin, this allows the skin to repair any damage because we're targeting certain areas and we're using certain depths so that we can get a minimal or a very aggressive treatment depending on the patient's goals and skin health. All of these things factor into what treatment we would recommend. This is why most of the time we require a consultation just so we can go over what the expectations are of the treatment, how much downtime we estimate that you'll have, go over your budget, your home care, answer questions that you have. That's very time consuming and it's very necessary so you understand what you're getting and so that you can stick to the treatment plan. So I've been asked, what is the difference in adding PRP? What makes it so magical? A lot of people in the medical field refer to it as liquid gold. That's because not only does it have that gold color that you can see in this video, but it also contains growth factors. And these are from your own body. We're not taking cells from someone else and putting them in your skin. We are taking what belongs to you that contain a high concentration of growth factors. And what growth factors do, they help the cells in your body to communicate with each other more effectively, and they notify each cell to repair damage. So it's really super cool. I personally was very skeptical of PRP because, as you can see in this video, I'm getting pinpoint bleeding. So I'm already bringing her blood to the surface. So I wasn't understanding how that would actually make a difference because I felt I was already doing this. But it actually does make a very big difference to spin it in a centrifuge and take out the really high concentrated plasma. And we've seen that in the office. We've tested this out on a few people with pretty significant acne scarring, and we've seen a great reduction by adding the PRP. So I've been really impressed. Now, I believe the older you are, the much harder scars are to treat in general, even if you have a really amazing treatment. So do keep that in mind. A lot of people who are getting these amazing results, their scars are much younger. So the earlier we can treat scars, the better. That doesn't mean it's impossible to treat an older person's scars who have had them longer. It just means it's going to take more time, more treatments. So just keep that into consideration. If you're investing in these skincare treatments, you really should be also investing in great quality home care. Ceracell is our top brand. It specifically contains growth factors. It has vitamins A, C, and E in it. So it's doing really great things for your skin. So it's really awesome to use in your home care. We also have more affordable options that work just as well for some of our patients' skin. So again, going back to that consultation being so important, we can discuss all this. We can come up with a game plan. But if you are not investing in good medical grade skincare and just using whatever you find at the department store that you don't even know what it does and you can't even see a result, you're just not getting the full benefits. You're not getting the results that you should be getting, because home care and treatments go hand in hand, and they really should be paired together. You really should be investing in those items for home because you see yourself much more than I can see you. You also want to be cautious with sun exposure with any aggressive treatment. Microneedling can be a little more forgiving in the summer, so it's more popular for me to treat in the summer compared to my laser procedures. And speaking of, we can actually combine microneedling and laser treatments, chemical peels, dermaplane. You can combine treatments to get your full goals met. Many patients are going to be at least pink to red for at least 3 to 4 days. A lot of times you'll have a little bit of peeling after that. You want to keep the skin super hydrated. I can tell you right now, if you see me and you want me to do a really good job, you are going to be red. That's just how it is if you want the good results. So I hope you found this video helpful, and feel free to leave any questions that weren't answered in this video down below in the comments, and make sure you share with a friend who loves skincare. Thank you so much for watching and for all of your support. It really does help so much when you share our videos. It really helps get the education out about why these treatments are so beneficial, and we really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Bye.